There's a shark in the park. The title of the book is Shark in the Park. Down at the park, a little boy is interesting out and testing out his brand new toy and looks like this in the sky and its surroundings. Hey, listen, there's a shark in the park. Shark, fancy that, it's only a cat. Meow, meow. Then again, in the surroundings. Shark, oh no, it's just a crow. It's just a crow, crow. Now he's looking again. Let's see again. Oh, it's time to go home, Timothy. A shark? No, it's not. And are not you glad? As a matter of fact, it's Timothy's dad. And he's saying, let's go home. Quack. Timothy's pop says, it's safe. It's easy peasy safe to say there are no sharks in the park today.